Friends, as we all know that apples are king of fruits and apple are full of vitamins and minerals. So friends, if we eat apple in a right way, then your body will absorb maximum vitamins and minerals out of it. So always try to eat apple in morning on empty stomach, then it will give you an amazing health benefits. Always try to eat apple without peel as apple loses some of its nutritions after peeled. Try not to eat anything immediately after eating apple, especially hot tea or coffee. Always wash your apples properly to remove dust and pesticides from it. If you eat apple in a right way, then your body will absorb more nutrition from it. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.